So hello guys, so today's video I'm going to be showing how to bleach your knots, and this is hair that will be bleaching guys. This is a closure and we are going to bleach these knots. So guys, I'm going to be going with olive oil bleaching powder, and I'm going to be using this developer conservation cream developer.
So let's get started. I'm going to measure the bleaching powder into a bowl, and then going to add the developer. So when I'm applying the bleach on the hair, I make sure I start from the bottom because that is where there is more hair, and I'm going to lightly apply it because we are working with only the knot and not the whole hair. So you need to lightly apply the bleach on the knot of the hair. So when I'm done with application, I'm just going to turn the hair. So going to be pulling the hair, the one line on the bleach, so that the bleach will only affect the knot and not the whole hair. So I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes, and then we come back and check it. So after 15 minutes time, this is how the bleach is. So I'm going to add another 5 minutes, making 20 minutes, and then we can wash the bleach. So don't forget to be pulling the hair so that your bleach will not affect the whole hair. Okay, so I'm going with this shampoo, balsam shampoo, to wash the hair. So guys, after drying the hair, this is a final result. So I'm done with my bleaching. This is the final result. So guys, if you love the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and if you want to try it, you can try it and then comment below. Thank you.